In this video, I will be showing you how to hide your likes on the Twitter application. For that, the process is very simple and easy, and in this video, you will exactly know how to do it. So for that, the process is very easy. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So what you have to do exactly is, first of all, get the Twitter Premium application. For that, what you have to do is to go to your Twitter, and once you are in your X application, go to the subscribe to premium option, because hiding your likes is only available for the premium accounts. So once you have availed the premium X application, what you have to do is to go to your setting and privacy option. In the setting and privacy option, go ahead and search for the privacy and safety option, which is right over here. The privacy and safety option, what you have to do is to go to the content UC option. Here, if you have the premium account, there will be an option here which it says hide your like. So all you have to do is to toggle it on. So that way you will be able to toggle the option on of hiding your likes on the X application, so anybody else would not be able to see it and your privacy will be saved. So that is how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.